Nature marvels when the sun rises upon the river. The first rays of the sun cast a golden glow over the river Kaveri, known as Dakshina Ganga. Carving through the land, the river creates natural wonders. Near the royal city of Mysuru is one such land formed due to the nature's response to human intervention. This tiny treasure trove of 25 islands is home to thousands of birds traversing continents to breed and rest in this ancient land. This is Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary. Derives its name from Sri Ranganatha, presiding deity of Sri Rangapatna temple, and Thittu meaning small mount. This site has been recognized internationally as one of the Ramsar sites in the year 2022 and has the prestige of being the first Ramsar Site of Karnataka. This sanctuary is a stunning example of a river ecosystem in India, boasting a diverse range of around 225 species of birds, with nearly 36 species of water birds breeding here every year. The healthy growth of chicks here is a testament to the abundance of fish, which in turn is the lifeline of this ecosystem. Among the thousands of birds that call Ranganthittu its home, there is the tiny but mighty swallow, which travels an incredible distance every year to breed and raise its young ones in this special place. This sanctuary also supports over 1% of the global population of painted stork, black-headed ibis, and spot-billed pelican, and it is classified as an important bird and biodiversity area. But the story of Ranganthittu is not just about the birds. It's about the incredible web of life that surrounds them. A healthy population of mugger crocodiles, smooth-coated otters, mahshir is an indication of a healthy and complete riverine ecosystem. Once upon a time, it was a recreational site only for the royal family of Mysuru. Now, people from far and wide come to witness the wonders of Ranganthittu. Karnataka Forest Department plays a crucial role in educating visitors about the importance of this riverine ecosystem. The department also conducts regular bird surveys from renowned institutions including SACON and regularly patrols to protect and conserve the sanctuary. Ranganthittu reminds us that we are not alone in our need for water. Life on this planet depends on it. From the tiny swallow to the majestic painted stork, every bird in Ranganthittu has a story to tell. We must ensure that these stories continue to be told for generations to come.